details in the context of the 3D geometry. Hovering over a pin will give you a sneak peek of the issue, or clicking on the pin will cross-highlight the actual issue in the Issue Management widget. We can focus on the issue's view, which will transparent all of the geometry apart from the component the issue is raised on. Within the issue, we can store lots of information. We have many properties, which can also be added to. We link the actual geometry and any context information. Additional attachments such as documents or 3D markup generated in the platform can also be linked. Finally, issues are given an owner and are assigned to users in the platform. These users will be notified that the issue has been assigned to them. If an issue results in a change being required, a change can be created directly from the issue. This will auto-populate the change with key information from the issue. That change action is then directly linked to the issue automatically.